This is the famous Nigerian street food, bole and fish. Hello lovelies, today I share a very popular street food in Niger Delta. Very delicious and easy to put together. If you want to know how I made this, keep watching. Please support me by sharing this video. Thank you, and let's get started. Here are my ripe plantain. I've already given it a good wash. Next, I will peel and add small amount of vegetable oil. Massage thoroughly so that it doesn't stick on my rack while grilling. Okay guys, I have already marinated my mackerel fish with salt, small amounts of seasoning cubes and paprika powder. You don't need too much spices in your fish because it has that natural taste. You can also use croaker fish, tilapia fish, or of course the famous mackerel fish. Next, I will place my plantain and transfer in my preheated oven and allow it to roast. Next, I will prepare my sauce. I've got my peppers and onions. I will use my food processor to roughly blend it. To make the sauce, I will go in with my palm oil and allow it to heat up. Next, I will go in with my blended peppers. And I will season with seasoning cubes, all-purpose seasoning and salt. Try as much as possible to keep it simple. This sauce doesn't need so much seasoning. I will mix it combine and allow it to fry. Once that is done, our sauce is ready. Look at how beautiful it looks. I'm going to set it aside. And at this time, the plantain and the fish is ready. You guys, this recipe is super simple. If you have watched till this point, please support me by sharing this video. That is it for today's video, guys. I hope you find happiness in watching today's video. Thank you and always be positive. And see you in my next one. Bye.